Are you thinking of starting your own business? Opening a business is exciting and thrilling, but it's also an incredibly challenging undertaking. A methodical plan of action is needed to fulfill your dream or goal of being your own boss and running a successful business. That's why we're here to help. Founded by a team of professionals whose expertise encompass the entrepreneurial spirit and business development and growth, we pride ourselves to be in the cutting edge of the incorporation and business service industry. We offer not only LLC and corporate formation services, but also assistance with tax identification numbers, S-Corp election filings, amendments, dissolutions, and more. We will become your team members and help you avoid the common pitfalls you may make when starting your new venture. So, are you ready to turn your ideas into a real business today? Contact us for a free, no-obligation consultation.